Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today my assistant Val will be doing a full review and test of the Kedsum 2-in-1 shopping cart and hand trunk right after this.
Hey, have you guys been looking for something to help you with shopping or laundry or going camping? Well, stick around because I have something you just might want to hear about. Today, you guys, I'm going to talk about the Kedsum 2-in-1 shopping cart. Now, they call it a shopping cart for groceries, but it actually also does many other things. And I'm going to tell you right now. It is a 2-in-1 shopping cart. It can hold up to 330 pounds. It's on wheels. It's foldable, load-bearing hand truck because you can use it as a dolly. How wonderful is that? So you can have you can use it for several different things, right? And it's amazing. And let's say you want to use it as a dolly. So you keep it in the closet at the house. And if you get deliveries to the house, then you can just whip it out as a dolly and there you go. The other thing is, as a shopping cart, and I'm going to show pictures on the side, I did use a regular cart in the store, but when I brought it out, I put everything in the bag, and it did hold 35 items. I did count them, and it really is nice. I'm going to talk about the wrinkle resistant in a moment, but I'm going to go down the list. Now, it does say also it's good for laundry and garden as well. So laundry, you can pack up your laundry, a lot of it. I show pictures of this as well. And also for going camping or for the garden, you can have it outside and have all your tools in it. It's really, really nice. And colors that I see are red or purplish red and black and blue. So I'm going to go over some of the details with you. The Kedsum 2-in-1 shopping cart is made of nylon, high elastic foam fabric that's waterproof and wrinkle resistant. Now, wrinkle resistant is perfect because if you put a lot of things in a bag, you don't want it to wrinkle up like some of the nylon bags, right? It does not wrinkle up. It keeps its shape. It keeps its form. I've used this so many times at the grocery store, and it's great because it always keeps its shape. It keeps its original shape. It does have all-terrain wheels. It doesn't have the wheels that you put air in. So it says it has wheels designed for smooth rolling. The Kedsum 2-in-1 shopping cart for groceries offers a comfortable and efficient shopping experience. The wheels are well suited for various terrains, allowing users to navigate through grocery stores, sidewalks, and other surface environments with ease. I do show a little bit of going down the stairs. I didn't have anybody to film me, so I got just a tiny bit there. So, but it works great over on the pavement, gravel, anything like that. And it says the foldable feature of the dolly and the removable red bag, or any color bag you choose. This one's red. So you can just slide off the bag. It just slides on or slides off. So let's say you get a delivery to the house and you want to get a dolly, but the other one's just too big and bulky. You can grab this, slide off the bag, take it outside, and use it as a dolly. And it works fantastic. Let me tell you. I've used it twice already to bring things into the home. So it does fold down. It folds down flat. I do have kind of a picture there of showing it folded down. You can put it behind the seat of your car, throw it in the trunk. You can put it in the closet, put it in your bedroom, wherever you want to put it. But it's great because it does fold down flat. With the bag there, it does fold down flat. But the 2-in-1 grocery cart with wheels combines the convenience of a traditional shopping cart with the functionality of a foldable hand truck dolly, okay, which can be used as a shopping cart, grocery cart, utility cart, suitable for taking it to the supermarket, the beach, loading clothes, and sending it to the laundry room. You can also put water on there too and carry cases of water into the house. So, is there anything else I needed to talk about? Okay, so it does have a very strong rod at the top. It's very sturdy. Also, it's got 2 side pockets, good for your umbrella, good for a bottle of water. It also has another zip line pocket, and I think there's 2 other pockets as well where they're zippered. So they're pretty cool. So I think there's 4 pockets there. So that's pretty cool. That's really nice. So it does hold 330 pounds, has a shiny nylon bag, wear-resistant rubber wheels. So those are pretty cool. So I've kind of covered everything I wanted to cover. I did show all the pictures of what I was doing with the laundry and everything. It's pretty nice, you guys, I got to tell you. So I'm going to have Chris put a link to this unit underneath the video. And I want to thank him for allowing me to be part of this and to jump over to his channel to help him with this review. I really love it. It's fantastic. So also the dimensions, 39.5 inches tall, and it's 16 by 15.35. So, you know, it looks like a nice little square bag. But when you start putting things in it, and it's very tall, when you start putting things in it, you're going to realize, hey, I need this. Where has this been? You're going to love it. Try it. Take a look at it. See what you think. And you know what? That's about it. So I'm going to say I really enjoyed it. And the reviews are really great on it. I enjoy using this cart. And I'm going to keep using it. So thank you. And you know what? You guys have a great day. And I want to say that I want you to be kind to others. Share a smile. You just might make someone's day.